Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to create the social media icons using HTML and CSS. First, I show you the demo of this page, then we are start create this design. You can see that in my browser, I have a two page here. First one is demo and the second one is social icon. This is totally blank. In the demo page, I have a container with the name is called share. And if I hover on this container, so you can see that my first layer was slightly go left side with a smooth sliding effect and my icons are visible. And guys, one more thing, I'm not any links in on these icons, but in your case you will definitely add the links according to your perspective. That's the demo of this page. So let's start the video and jump into the Visual Studio Code. So guys, now I'm in my Visual Studio Code and you can see that I have two files here. First one is HTML and the second one is CSS file. And you can see that I am adding the boilerplate of the HTML link the CSS file. Okay. And if I show you the CSS file, you can see that I am importing a Google font here and reset some default properties and adding the font here. So first we have to add some icons on this web page. So let's jump. Okay, sir, let's visit the icons website, and in my case I'm using the Line Awesome website. In your case you can choose anyone what you want. Okay, so first we will add the CDN link of this website. So go with getting started, and maybe my internet connection was slow today. Copy this link here and paste the link here in the head tag. Okay, and let's jump into the icon section. Go with Line Awesome here, and okay, we got all the icons. First I want the Facebook icon, so let's type the Facebook here and I choose this one and copy this one. So inside the body container, first I will create a container, and inside the container I create one more container. It's called icons container. You can choose any name what you want. This is only a class name, and paste the icons here. But you have to place the icons inside the anchor tag. So I'm adding the anchor tag here and place the icon inside this anchor tag. Okay, so now I'm gonna copy and paste all the icons for saving some little bit time. And these are all icons. You can see that the first one is Facebook, Instagram, GitHub, LinkedIn and Twitter. And if I show you our page, so you can see that we got all the icons on my web page. And let's close this website here and jump into the CSS file. Because my HTML code has done, we will create a container and add some icons here. So let's jump into the CSS. Okay, so target the first container here, container. So I'm adding some width and height on this container. Width 100%, height 100 VH. Adding a background color is called white smoke. And one more thing, I write the flags here and press enter. You can see that I got all the flags properties. This is the working of CSS snippets, and I upload the YouTube shorts on my channel related to the CSS snippets. You can also check out on my channel. Okay, so let's target the icons container here. Icons container. Okay, first I'll show you the page. You can see that we got all these icons in the center of this page. So let's target this page here and add some background color and copy and paste it here because I don't want to type all these RGB values. Okay, background color, and I again write flags and got all these properties. Adding some border radius here, 10 pixel for round the edges of this container. Okay, add the position relative, overflow hidden, and add the padding here, padding not passing, 0.5 rem top and bottom and 1 rem left and right. And add the box shadow, this one and this one. So you can see that we got the second layer of this container when our icons are visible. तो अब इसको हम बाकी और चीजें ठीक कर लेते हैं. So first I am increase the font size of this. So first I am increase the font size of these icons. Let's target the icons here using I tag. I'm adding a color is black. Wow, oh, typing mistake. Black. Cursor pointer. When hover on this icons, so my cursor was changed, and increase the font size of these icons. Go with 2.3 RAM and add the margin for creating a distance between these icons. So let's go with 0.7 RAM. So if I show you the page, you can see that our second layer was designed. So now I'm gonna design the first layer of this container. When I hover on this page, the first layer was going to the left side, and in my case I'm using the CSS pseudo selector for creating the first layer. If you don't have any idea about the CSS pseudo selectors how working, please check out some tutorials and know the basic concepts of the pseudo selectors. Otherwise you don't get it how the pseudo selectors are working. So let's go with before. And first thing, when you are using the pseudo selectors, first you have to add the position relative to the parent container and position absolute to the child container. Position absolute. And the second thing is you have to add the content is blank. Some cases you have to leave this content as blank, but in my cases I am adding the share. This share has visible on this section. Okay. So let's add some basic things. Let's go with background color black and the color white. Color white. Okay. Width 100% and height 100%. So this container was cover all the 100% of this parent container. Okay. Let's add some flexbox property here. Flex and font size 1.8 RAM and border radius 10 pixel, same border radius which I given to the parent container, and the same. So you can see that we got the first layer with the same height and width here. Okay, so let's create the sliding effect on this first layer. So first I am creating the sliding effect, and we have to target the icons container, hover, and when we hover, what happened with before I'm adding the transform translate x minus 100%, not dollar. Okay, when I was hover on this icon container, so what happened with before container, this property was applied on this before, and this first layer was going to the left side. If I show you, you can see that yeah, it goes, but it is too fast. First let's add that some smooth effect here. I'm gonna add the transition here, transition 0.8 second, all is. Okay, so if I hover on this section, so you can see that my design was completed. You can also tell me the next video ideas in the comment section. And guys, if you learned something new from this video, so please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for more videos. I'll see you next time in the next video. Till then, see you, bye bye.